Island was selling. To all you facility managers and engineers across the kingdom, welcome. We're really glad you could join us. We are AskA Solution, and, well, we're here to talk about something that, affects every single one of us who manages industrial assets here in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so let's jump right in. I want you to really think about this for a second. What is the single biggest threat to your multi-million real facility? It's something that's working against you day and night, very quietly, and believe me, it's costing you more than you can imagine.
It's not another company, I promise you. Wallah, the real enemy is corrosion. It's the very climate we live in here in KSA that's working against you. The extreme heat, it just bakes your equipment. The humidity, it seeps into every little crack. And the sandstorms, they literally strip away protective layers. This is what is silently eating away at your most valuable assets. It's a relentless 24/7 attack.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Ignoring this slow, silent attack, it's a huge mistake. This is not some small problem. The consequences, they go much, much deeper than just, a bit of rust on a pipe. The costs, they start to stack up, and they affect the entire business in ways you might not even see at first.
Yani, just imagine you're the manager or the engineer for a moment. Suddenly, a critical pipeline fails. Boom, you're dealing with unexpected downtime, and every single hour that plant is offline, that's thousands, maybe millions of rials in lost production. Then come the repair bills, and they always seem to spiral out of control, don't they? What's even worse, you could be facing a major safety incident or a failed compliance check. All of this, it reflects badly on the facility, on the company, on everyone. Khalas, it's a massive headache you just do not need.
Voila, this is the absolute truth. We're not just talking about appearances or stopping a little bit of rust here. No. We are talking about protecting the very core of your operation. The machinery, the storage tanks, the steel structures. I mean, everything that keeps your business running. It's about preserving its lifeblood.
Tight. Okay, we've talked enough about the problem. We all know it's serious. So let's shift gears and focus on the solution. At AskA Solution, we don't just react to rust, we have a proactive strategy. It's a very methodical, engineered approach that, it creates a shield for your assets.
And look, this strategy isn't something we just came up with yesterday. It's built on a solid foundation of more than 30 years of hands-on experience right here in the kingdom. We've been protecting some of the most critical infrastructure in oil and gas, in manufacturing. We don't just know the environment, we live and breathe it. It's our home.
So what makes our approach different? It's our process. It's really a four-step journey. First, we kick things off with a very detailed consultation and a thorough on-site inspection. Then, we move into meticulous preparation and planning. This is absolutely key. After that, our skilled teams take over with professional painting and coating. And we don't just stop there. We finish with detailed quality checks and talk about ongoing maintenance to make sure you have long-term protection. It's a complete system, engineered for your success.
Tayyib, let's just focus on preparation for a second because this is everything. This is without a doubt the most critical step in the whole process. You simply cannot get a perfect, long-lasting finish without perfect preparation. It's impossible. We use everything from abrasive sandblasting to power tool cleaning to create a surface that the coating can really bond to. This right here, this is where our expertise at AskA Solution truly shines.
Okay, so once we have that perfectly prepared surface, it's time to choose the right shield. And it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, of course. Every asset, every environment, it presents a unique challenge. So we select the precise coating to defend against that specific threat.
And this table here is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. We're not just slapping on a coat of paint, we are applying science. If you have concrete floors or machinery exposed to chemicals, you need epoxy for its incredible resistance. For those structures baking in the Saudi sun all day, polyurethane gives you the UV resistance you need. Yari, for your exterior steel, we use zinc-rich primers. This is amazing, it provides cathodic protection. It literally sacrifices itself to stop rust before it can even start. And for the most critical structures, we use intumescent coatings that expand in a fire to protect the steel. Each one is a specific tool for a specific job.
So, okay, if you, the managers and engineers watching this, remember only one thing from our talk today, what should it be? Well, it's this. At AskA Solution, we do more than just paint. We engineer a shield, a complete defensive system designed for one single purpose, to preserve the life, the performance, and the financial value of your most critical assets. We are not just applying color, we are applying science to protect your investment. That is the core of everything we do.
So you can see how this idea of engineering a shield, it makes us more than just a vendor. It makes us a long-term partner in preservation. And that's why the leading companies across the kingdom, they put their trust in us, in AskA Solution.
And really, it all comes down to these key points. We have specialized industrial expertise. This is all we do day in and day out. Our solutions are proven to be reliable and durable in this very harsh environment. Everything is customized for you. We don't do cookie-cutter solutions. Our commitment to a safety-first culture is non-negotiable. It's everything. And we make sure everything we do helps you meet and exceed regulatory compliance.
And look, these are not just empty words. The data, it speaks for itself. This is our track record. We deliver quality work on time every single time. And most importantly, our 100% safety record. This is a source of immense pride for our entire team at AskA Solution. These numbers, they prove that our commitments deliver real measurable results for our partners. And because you've taken the time to listen to this explainer today, we have a special offer for you. We want to invite you to get a free, no-obligation consultation. Just mention you saw this explainer, and our team will come out and provide a professional assessment of your facility's specific protection needs. So please, don't wait for corrosion to become a crisis. Be proactive. You can reach out to us directly at sales@askasolution.com, or you can visit our website at askasolution.com. Let's start the conversation about building that shield for your assets today.
Thank you so much for your time. At AskA Solution, we're not just protecting your assets, we are helping you secure your future. We really look forward to the chance to partner with you and build a stronger, more resilient future for your business.